out again on the road, getting the updates to give to you as it relates to this beautiful road improvement in St. Thomas. Yes, long awaited smooth road we want in a St. Thomas, so now we're getting it. Drivers, please remember, take them on the road. Remember, let us keep our peace on the road. No fast driving, no stupidness on the road. Just obey the speed limit, obey the rules and regulations of the road, and let us try and arrive from point A to point B in a safe and peace manner. Yeah, man. So we're out again today, getting the updates to give to you, my viewers and my subscribers. Yes, just like that. The Clarity Boss always on the ground, getting it to show to you. So just continue watching until the end, my viewers and my subscribers. To this Tuesday. So how much truck leave? Look how much truck leave. About 6 truck this right now. About 6 trucks them. Alright, so this is out by Retreat now, where they actually continue with the paving right now. So now they're actually coming from out by Church Corner. They're going straight to Prospect with this paving. Yes, sir. So we're out again, getting this little update to give to you.
Andy, how you do? Yeah. You see the works are going. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
I worry about the timing. I wait until the rain and come now. Sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. So this is it, my viewers and my subscribers. I'm actually out right now on the road walking in Retreat. This section already paved, so I'm going down now to where they're actually doing some paving right now for you to see all the latest that taking place in St. Thomas on this road improvement right now. So as I mentioned before, they paved from Church Corner already, so this is where they actually reach, and our next set was paving out by Prospect, Blue Mawo during the weekend. But now they are in Retreat, and by the end of today, with so much truck leave with material, they're supposed to be reaching Prospect or entering Prospect anytime today with the amount of material that they have. So anyway, you can see them down there now where the paving taking place. So I'm going to go down there, get a little update to give to you, my viewers and my subscribers. So this is the latest update from the Clarity Boss as it relates to this paving. And remember, the things that were in the road that this was causing some accident, they are no longer visible. Well, they are visible, but they're not up in the road like all it was before. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So this is what they're actually doing right now, getting all this road sorted out so we can have a better driving condition on the road. Have a better driving condition. See it to your viewers and subscribers. So they're out, I'm out, getting the updates to give to you. This is what taking place now. Look at it, smooth sailing. Just so that the drivers are enjoying themselves on the road. Let's continue down to where they're actually doing the work, my viewers and my subscribers. So this is it, the latest I'm giving to you. See it here? No joke about it. They're out getting it done for us to enjoy. But remember, drivers, please remember, be careful, take your time and drive on the road. Yes, take your time and drive on the road. This road is pretty, it's smooth, it's new, but it is also dangerous. And we don't want no more life to last on this road, you know. So make we just do the right thing, take our time and maneuver the vehicle. No racing on the road, smooth sailing. Yes, alright. May I show us? Alright, right in front of me right now. See them here? I hope you can see them. Alright, you can see that they actually down. They're no longer up in the road to cause any problem. See them? Alright, so you know I have to try and show you what I'm talking about, because sometimes you might think that I'm giving you wrong information, but these are the things that I was talking about. So they're no longer a problem to the motorists on the road. Yes, viewers and subs, so walking it down to where the work actually taking place right now. So this is where we are right now, so you can actually see that paving taking place now. Greatness for St. Thomas. Detour the vehicle and come on this Edwards Drive. I want to call Cesspool Road. Anyway, let's continue again. Just try to look on it, looking at it there.
After two weeks, most of some video out, think if you have a black card.
It all depends, you know. It all depends. Because right now, it's a bit high me, so I'm not catch it. You understand what I say?
Alright. Now, that's my name and I'm profile of some good music here, and I'm try, you see me?
Alright. Come on.
I have some money where go people and then if you them orientate there, I want that to
hold on. Right go in front of you. I'm also on the road to greatness in St. Thomas. I'm just walking it, showing you what's taking place, you know. And the paving taking place, so let's just show you what's actually going on right now. It's hot, you know. It's hot. Right there, hot. Come on, so I'm going to look at even view of what actually taking place right now. Come on, now talk about it. Let's get the wall.
maintenance, eh?
Walk some more right now, see what taking place more. So see this one now getting ready to unload. So they're going up to Alexander Park right now. Who's this?
In the meantime,
Go on.
we're there, you know.
So
I got up on the work.
So I feel about what take place.
Yeah, it feel good. It feel good. At least we don't have to drive over there something again. Saying, at the last layer this. But the only thing I don't like, let's hope they're not going to dig up back the road.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, okay so now. Here so break away now. Here so. I don't know. They need to come check out the part here so. They need to check out this part. Breaking away. So them going straight up with this, you know. Straight up to that bus shed today. Pass the bus shed to the part, they reach Asphalt Road with this paving today. Right? Asphalt Road just entering Prospect. That is where they actually probably reach today. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So we're out again getting the updates to give to you. You know, we always try our best to show you what's taking place. Alright. Now these are what I was talking about earlier. These are up right now. So if you look, you can see this one is a bit low. See this a bit low. Go across over there, higher than this. So see them here. So after them finish this paving now, after they finish this paving, this layer, you won't be able to have any problem. See them there? You won't have any problem with them. So item is right. So the asphalt is actually going to go over and cover them. Right? Yes, viewers and subscribers. So this is what actually taking place now. Yes. Getting it out. Ah, sir. Alright, China man. We go safe. Alright, big up now. So this is what actually I was talking about, viewers and so. So we have evidence here to show you that they actually getting them covered way up, so it won't affect your vehicle. But still remember, approach with caution while you are driving on the road. And a smile at. Come give me a better smile at that, man. Give me a better smile at that now. Better smile at that for the live, man. Come on, sure. You know I'm right now. Alright, so people, this is it, man. We're outside again, getting the updates to bring to you as it relates to the road improvement in St. Thomas. Yes. Drive here, please and thanks. Take your time and drive. It's a construction. Take your time and drive. Quarter blocks. Take your time on it, come through, take your time and come through, man. Take your time and come through. Take your time and come through. We don't want no speed on the right zone. No speed we don't want just today. When I'm outside, I regulate the traffic. No speeding. No speeding, thank you. Man work with machine and something that you know across and they're not fearing. Just approach with caution, please, caution. Yeah man, I don't want to skip this out here so when I work.
St. Thomas crew, you know, Prospect Road is fixing. So when the tourists, we're coming over for it. You know, fast thing with Poland and come back. Fast reach Morocco and come back. Big up yourself, Andy.
Here, driver, back there once on here. Later, Rich. This is going to rain up to tonight now. How far am I going now? Yeah? I know about 7 to cleave up there, so.
Yeah, I think we did it. What are you doing here?
Take your time, take your time. Take your time, go on there. Hold on. He might come back. He might come.
Stop. That's the direction we get a stop, you know. Brethren, the people are just send me on that means we have the right
No,
away.
they don't send up on it. They send you over here, son. You see
They might
stop
come
and
for
you
this.
see
They
go
might come
now.
for this, sir. Don't go for this, man. Just keep on
You
yourself.
stop, you know, you see stop time.
Mr. Garden, you know, if you drive pan like Mr. Garden, the rough pan, come back. Come back. Yeah, man, come back, Mr. Garden. Sorry. Run here, so Mr. Garden. Run here, so we are doing. Run here, so we are doing. Run, so we are doing. Go right back.
Come over.
No, man, go right back.
Come over.
To the main work.
Right back up to the flag, woman, and then come over.
Go right back, Mr. J.
Boy, don't go back.
Hey, don't.
Hey.
Stand up.
Come back now, come back out.
Stand up.
You can't go through there, sir.
Stand up.
You can't drive on this password.
Make him go on. Where is it?
Hey, go on now, don't touch your asphalt.
Take on time. Me out here today. Yeah, man, take on time. Me out here today. You know when I work now? Take on time and go through now. Oh. Take on time now. Alright.
Stop, you know what I see stop, you know.
Take on time.
What kind of direction that you have?
Take on time. Come on. Take on time. Alright, uncle. Yo, you ready?
Only Johnny little roller.
No violation today. Anybody violate will be caught today. Eh? Oh yeah. I'm like a park. Yeah. Classic mobile, dirty body. Go on, wash.